Welcome to the fourth lesson of the quantitative chemistry topic. In this topic, the key questions are 1. How to balance chemical equations. 2. What are limiting reactants? Key terms that you need to be familiar with: balancing equations, limiting reactants. In today's lesson, we will talk about how to balance chemical equations and about limiting reactants. Chemical equations show the reactants on the left side and the products on the right side, and an arrow separates the two sides. Balancing an equation means that the numbers of each atom type are the same on the two sides. The image below shows the procedure of writing and balancing equations. There are two types of numbers involved in the equation: a coefficient in front of a formula and subscripts. These represent the number of that particular atom in the formula. The stages of balancing an equation are: 1. Check if the numbers of each types of atoms equal or not on the left and right sides. 2. If the numbers are not equal on the two sides, then they need balancing up. 3. Now check the numbers of the two sides again and start the process again for other types of atoms. Task: now please pause the video and balance the following equation. Hint: remember the steps we have discussed above. Extension: what are the states of matter for each reactant and product? Now let's balance this simple equation. 1. The numbers of H atoms on the two sides are equal, 2. 2. However, the numbers of O atoms are not equal, 2 on the left and 1 on the right side. 3. Therefore, 2 must be placed in front of H2O. 4. There are 2 H on the left side and 4 on the right side. 5. Therefore, a 2 must be placed in front of H2 on the left side. 6. Now there are 4 H's on the left and right and 2 O's on the left and right, so the equation is balanced as follows. In a chemical reaction, there are usually more than one reactant. When they are not used in the correct ratio, one reactant is used up, while the other one will not be. The reactant that is completely used up is called the limiting reactant, as it determines the amount of products.